So actually Infinity is an immersive experience that we made to immerse all the people inside of a beam of light. So our inspiration is the lights that start from the projector and goes through space to hit a surface. So here we are exactly in the middle, the audience can be exactly in the middle of this beam of light, and he can be immersed into these panels which represent the photons, which are the particle of light, let's say. And we made this installation using a special material, which is a unconventional material, unconventional screen, and this is only possible by video projectors. We cannot use other technology to create something light and simple as this installation.
Basically, when we received the design of the idea, we started to figure out which model, which projector, and which was the best configuration of the system to achieve the best result. So we were thinking about the resolution first, the brightness, the distance, so all these kind of things. So we modeled in the 3D because we have this kind of tools, and then finally we landed with 14 projectors of the new series in order to give the right brightness, right illumination of the solution. So there are 9 projectors on the floor, and the other are locked in high into the ceiling. So and then the visitors can really see from where the light is coming from.